Hi guys, and welcome back. In today's video, we are looking at my journaling supplies, and this is my folder full of journaling papers. Now, I did these yesterday, and these are the sunshines, so I'll be cutting them out if it's a sunny day. Then I created these, and these are the YouTube symbol. So when I've uploaded a video, I will be cutting this out and sticking it into my journal if I've uploaded a video that day I'm doing a journal. Then I created this with a Posca pen. It's just dots on the paper. And I then coloured in using an Ohuhu marker, just a sheet of paper. And again, it can all be cut. And then this is just regular paper. It's just plain, nothing too exciting. Old stickers from Christmas that I can cut out. And that's it really. So I just thought I'd show you that. The different colours. There's some shiny card here. You can see that on the edge there. Shiny cardstock. So again, it's all going to be used, because on Saturday will be my first official journaling video, because you seem to enjoy my journaling. So because it's new, I'm showing you the supplies I've gathered now. So Saturday should be a better experience for everybody and me, because I wasn't quite organised in my first video. So here I found a plastic container without a lid, and I have put some more things in. So if we go around here, I've got just scrap of paper that you can see is kind of folded, and I can use that for kind of little, what do you call them? Like little tents or like miniature cards that I will put into the journal, and then you can lift up the lid, and in there I might put a smiley face or something. So then I've got some sellotape. I'll bring it over here actually, seeing as we're going to have a little look. So I've got my sellotape, just regular tape. Then I've got my washi tapes. There's a video on my channel about those. This is a paper cutter, and it cuts these leaves. It's really difficult to use. It's very stiff, and you can only use quite thin paper. I had a go yesterday, and it does this. Can you see? So it will cut out the leaf, but then you'll be left with the silhouette, basically. So that can be fun for stamping or sponging paint into the journal. And so we've got the washi tape, and then in here, as we saw, I've cut up packaging, sweet packaging, so Smartie packaging from the wrappers, chocolate foil coin from Christmas. There's cereal box stuff in there from Rice Krispies when I used to eat them. We've seen what those two boxes are. Then I've got a pack of Star Wars stickers. Our supermarket at Christmas was running, if you spent a certain amount, they were giving these sticker packs away. So I kept one, and now, of course, is perfect for my journal, because I was saving them as I wasn't too sure. I wanted it to be saved and not just, stuck on a folder or something. So then, at the back here, I found some, they're kind of for card making. We'll have a look at these first. These are some stickers that I found. They're just probably behaviour stickers from the supermarket for schools. But I thought they're going to be good in my journal. And then these are some kind of, I don't know, stickers of some sort. They're kind of 3D stickers for card making. And again, I make cards, but I do my own design. I don't really do stickers. I just hand paint things, so they weren't really much good for me. You've seen these stickers. And then I printed, as you saw, some Winnie the Pooh pictures, because I just love Winnie the Pooh. And so I thought that would be good. Now, this cloud background came with those butterfly stickers, so I cut that into 2. And then I've got some of these square cut-offs in different paper colours. So again, I thought that would be a good combination. And I've got lots of those in here. Then I made this. I had my Sakura Bunzel, I think that's how you say, Jelly Roll Stardust pen. And I just did heart designs. But you can see how it really reflects, because it's a glitter pen, Stardust. So I had some spare, which is amazing for me because I was really using them. And so, yeah, I thought I would do that. Thought that would be a nice background. And then this different colour again. So I might do a combination of those together. You never know. So that's that box. And now, if we have a go at tidying up on camera, I don't think that's going to work too well, is it? Let's have a go. Goes in there. Put that in there. Because then we'll have a look at that blue basket at the back there. Because that has got, you can see that decal square. Again, these are bits and pieces I've collected over the years. And I've kept them in safe places, but I've actually remembered where my safe places are, which is amazing, because I do usually forget where they all are. So, just struggling now with my packaging. Just put it in here without ruining my butterfly stickers. Okay, and then we'll gently put the Star Wars back in there, and the stickers, and the sellotape, washi tape, and this other card there. And so we'll now move this back, and we will get this. This was the decal card I was on about, and I have probably one of them spare, and then this decal kind of shimmer paper. Now I do have, and I haven't got them on camera, some scissors with this kind of shape. So, but I didn't do it. I think these were bought years ago, but they can make the pattern around the edges, my scissors. So again, that's something else I can do. This is just regular paper. Just bits and pieces I've picked up. I think old artwork. Oh, and screaming child. Let's have a look at that. Or is it a duck? I think it was supposed to be a platypus. Anyway, look at this. We have a circle, purple. Oh, and I must have had a go at doing artwork or something. But again, it can all get used. And Christmas tree there. More decals in different colours. So again, they're good frames for scrapbooks. But our journal is not a scrapbook. It's something arty. I'm going to try and do arty things. Again, this is just squares of things. The frame has come out, that decal. That's interesting. I do like looking at all of this. So then there is different colours. This is just a stack of the same colour of square bits of card. And again, in different colours. And they're all the same size. A light blue, a dark brown, a green, and red. We'll put all those on the side here. And then we have more of that textured surface square card with the round edges. Then this is kind of shiny, can you see that? Again, it's deckled squares. And again, there and there, squares, smaller squares. Then I have some rubber stamps. And they are of cats, because I love cats. Now I haven't stamped in years, and I used to have an acrylic block, and these are self-adhesive, they cling to the acrylic block, but I haven't got an acrylic block, so I'm not sure what I'm going to use. I know you can use anything, but I'm not sure what I've got to hand that I can use. This again, it's cats, but also there's words. Sleep, what is that? Sleep, cat, sleep again. I'm not sure what the other word is at the bottom. And then there's this stamp. I think it was part of the set, but it is like a note. I have to clean the back of them, they're dusty, otherwise they won't cling to anything. But it's, you know, you stamp and then you can write on it. So I thought that was a clever idea for the journal. And then these are for scrapbooks, and I used to use it when we couldn't get double-sided tape, but you pull them out and they're sticky corners for photo clinging, you can see here. So I thought, well, that's, again, it's useful. And then I've got my one and only ink pad, because I'm not really a stamper. And I just this morning added a Parker pen ink cartridge ink thing. I pierced it and then just dabbed it all over the sponge of this, and I'm letting it set now. Remarkably, it was still a bit wet. It's quite a tight fitting lid, but you know, hopefully this isn't permanent ink, you see, so it is going to bleed if I add water or anything. And then at the back here are again some more 3D kind of stickers, so they'll be used sparingly in my journal. And at the back again, it's the cat stamps just there, and we turn it around. Personal impressions stamps. And I think these were cute. I think it's cats again, but Christmas themed. But again, I don't have to stamp the word Christmas. I can just ink the areas I want. So, you know, it's all very good, I'm thinking. It can all be used in my journal. So with all that said, and with the tidying up left for me to do, I will catch you on Saturday. I just wanted you to see the supplies that I'm going to be using from now on in my journaling, because my videos will be quiet, just with some peaceful music in the background. So I'll catch you guys next time. Bye!